Hello everyone, welcome to the Foldable Poster online training course. In this episode, I would like to walk you through the process about replacing the panel, the module. If the panel get damaged or get hit during the event and the event needed to replace with a spare one, first we need to turn off the power. Okay, after we turn off the power, we can take the module out and replace it with a spare one. We have a spare one here. Putting it onto the poster. Okay. Then we turn on the power. Okay, it's fully recovered. Let me show you if we don't turn off the power and replace the module, what will happen? And I put a spare one. Okay, let's turn this panel into testing mode. I'm not sure if you can see from the camera that the color of this panel is different, but it is visible. The reason is that the calibration date on this panel is different compared to other panels. So we need to restart the poster. And once we restart, the receiving card will read back all the data, the calibration data, and we notice the data on this panel is not correct. So it will restore the original data and make all the color of all panels perfectly matched. Now let's restart it. Then wait about 30 seconds. Let's see. Now the color is same. We don't have the color difference issue now.